Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to add an emoji as a group photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. This is a fun way to personalize your groups and make them stand out. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your smartphone. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats and groups listed. Now, find the group you want to customize and click on its name. This will open the group chat window. At the top, you'll see the group name and a small icon next to it. Click on this icon to edit the group details. A menu will appear, and you'll see the option to add a group icon. Click on this, and you'll be presented with several options: take photo, upload photo, emoji and sticker, or web search. For this tutorial, we're interested in the emoji and sticker option, so go ahead and select that. Now, you'll enter a gallery of emojis and stickers. Browse through them until you find the one that best represents your group. You can choose anything from a smiling face to a fun animal. Once you've selected your emoji, you'll see a preview of how it will look as your group icon. To confirm your choice, simply click on the checkmark icon. This will save your new group icon, and it will be visible to all members of the group. That's it. Adding an emoji as a group photo on WhatsApp web is a simple process that can add a lot of personality to your groups. Whether you're using it for a family chat, a work group, or just a fun hangout with friends, this feature is a great way to express yourself and make your conversations more engaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other popular apps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to help.